Welcome friends. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the numericals related to the topics Ohm's law and resistance. Okay. The first question is this is the previous year question of CBSE and the NEET. Okay. In this question it is given graph given, okay, showing the variation of current versus voltage. Variation of current, it is current and it is voltage, okay, for a material gallium arsenic material is shown in the figure. Identify the region. Okay. Now we have seen these characteristics of gallium arsenic in the previous previous lecture. You can see, you can check that one. Okay. Now material gallium arsenic, I already told that this gallium arsenic is a semiconductor device, okay, and it is no its characteristics is like this one. Okay, it is given here. Okay, gallium arsenic, and this is semiconductor device. Okay, it is what? Semiconductor devices. This has the characteristics like this one, and here in gallium arsenic characteristics, it is a non-ohmic characteristic. We already seen this one. Okay. Now in this question they are asking that the current I versus voltage is given. We have to find out the negative resistance region. Where is the negative resistance region? Means which region is the negative resistance, and where Ohm's law is obeyed. Okay. Now in this region, we have taken this region, that is DE region, suppose. Okay, which region we have taken? DE region. Okay, in this DE region we can see that the when voltage is increasing, it is voltage means it is 0 and it is going up, 0 1 2 3 4 dot. So it's increasing. So from D to E, voltage is what? Voltage is this one, and from here E is this one. So voltage is increasing. But at the same time the current which is here, it is something 5 ampere, let it be, and here it will be something, it will be 2 ampere because it is just down. So 5 to 2 ampere means current is reducing. So we can write voltage is increasing but our current is reducing. That means that our voltage in current is reducing. That means that our resistance is in negative resistance region. It will be a negative resistance region. Okay. Resistance means what? Resistance means it will be a slope. Simply it is a slope, not slope, actually it is I versus V curve. So we can write here slope is equal to 1 by R. As slope is what? Negative. Here slope is what? Negative. That means R will be negative, and so it is a negative resistance region. Okay. If you have any doubt, kindly comment in this comment section of this video. Okay. Slope here is the negative region. So negative resistance region will be what? Your DE. Any doubt? Okay. And now we will go for the region, that is CB region. Which region we are going now? CB region. Okay. CB region, or we can write it as BC region. Okay. Region, which region is BC. In this region, BC region, now here we can see from B to C, again voltage is increasing. Okay, voltage is increasing, and at the same time current is also increasing. And also one thing is that it from B to C, it is just simply like this one, and D to E simply like this one. Means it is a linear curve. Okay, it is a linear curve. So as voltage is increasing and current is increasing, and we know from Ohm's law that the voltage is directly proportional to current. That means that if current is increasing, then voltage will increase, and hence this region, that is B to C region, will obey your Ohm's law. So where Ohm's law is obeyed, it will be a BC region. Okay, this is the solution of question number 1. Now we will move for the next question. Now in this question number 2, it is a CBSE previous year CBSE question. Okay, in this question the given is a wire of resistance 8 ohm, means suppose this one is your 8 ohm, 8R resistance, 8R resistance. What is the resistance of this wire? It is 8R. Okay, R is the, it is given 8R simply. Okay, this is the 8R resistance. Now is bent in the form of circle. What they bent in the form of a circle. Now this resistance is bent in this form. Okay, circle. What will be the effective resistance between the end of diameter AB? Means we need to see the effective radius between this point A and B. Okay, now it is very interesting question. Okay, this is 8R. 8R is the total resistance. Okay, now they simply this, suppose its area is A, then this from this to this is also area A and this is also area A, means they have just connected in 50% 50%, means if your, means suppose this one total resistance is L, total length is L, as area is same, for this one area is same and also this is area same. Okay, from here to here same wire is na, so it is area same, its length will be L by 2, its length will be L by 2. Okay, as the length is halved because of the same row and same area, so its resistance will be what? From this region, this to this region, the resistance will be your 50% of this one, so it will be your 4R. And similarly for this region the resistance will be obviously half, that is 4R. Now we will draw the equivalent diagram of this one. Okay, now this is like this one. Okay, this is point A. Now from this one there is a two path, one path is going this direction, one is one, means from A it is going this and this, so there is two path, so there is two path. Now there is a wire, we will represent wire, above wire as a resistance this one and this one as a resistance this one. Now again they will come and meet this point, so they have meted, and now there is a point B, it is a point B. Okay, and this is point A. Now this is the equivalent diagram. Here we can write the resistance of this one, that is 4R, and the equivalent resistance of this one, that is 4R. Now therefore between A and B, the equivalent resistance will be, R equivalent will be, because these two are in parallel connection, पैरेलल है क्योंकि यहाँ पर करंट क्या हो रहा है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो इट इज़ अ पैरेलल कनेक्शन एज करंट इज डिवाइडिंग. सपोज दिस करंट इज कमिंग हियर, some current will go here and some current, because of the same resistance the current will be equal in this current, equally divided. Okay, so these two resistance in parallel, therefore 4R is parallel with 4R. So equivalent of this one will be what? If the same resistance is parallel, then that will be divided by 2. It is parallel, so 4R divided by 2 means 2R. It is for simple trick, means if there is a same resistance of is in parallel connection, then simply for equivalent we will divide by 2. So it will be simply your 2R resistance. So this is your answer. So answer is your 2R. Okay. Otherwise we can also find like this one, 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by 4R plus 1 by 4R. Now from this one we will solve. So it will be 2 by 4R. Now 2 will be cancel out, so R equivalent equal to 2R. Okay. Now we will move for the third question. This one. This third question is a previous year NEET question, that is recent question, that is 2021 NEET question. Okay, in this question the given is the effective resistance of a parallel connection that consists of 4 wire of equal length. Okay, effective resistance of a parallel connection that consists of 4 wire of equal length, equal area of cross section and same material is 0.25. okay, here equal area means A is same, okay, 4 wire of equal length is same, okay, of the same material means your rho is also same, resistivity is also same, these are the same it is given. Okay, now there is a 4 wire, so there is a 4 wire, 1 2 3 and 4. These 4 wire are connected in parallel, it is a parallelly connected. How we can say this one is parallelly connected? Because if some current will flow from here, then that current will be divided equally in this, in this, in this, in this. Let the resistance of one wire is R, then resistance of this R, this resistance, this R, this resistance R. So equivalent of this parallel equivalent will be simply we need to what? We need to divide by 4, because there is a 4 wires parallel, so divide by 4. If there is 2 wire, then divide by 2. So it will be R by 4. Otherwise we can find out the that formula, that is 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. So it will be 4 by R. So R equivalent will be R by 4. Okay. Now this is R equivalent, and R equivalent it is given as 0.25. Okay, from this we can find R equal to 0.5 into 4, that is 1 ohm, 1 ohm resistance. ठीक. Okay. Now what will be the effective resistance if they are connected in series? Now this 4 wire we will connect in the series, 1 2 3 and 4. There is a 4 wire and each has a resistance of R, R, R and R. Now in this case R equivalent will be your what? Because it is in series connection, because if the current is flowing in this I, then all resistance will have the current of I, means same current will pass through the all 4 resistance. So R equivalent will be summation of all, that will be 4R, and we have find out from here R equal to 1, so it will be 4 into 1, that is 4 ohm resistance. So your answer will be D. Okay. If you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section, and kindly subscribe this channel to get the latest updates. Now next question, question number 4. This is your question number 4. Question number 4. It is also a NEET 2021 paper, previous year paper. Okay. In this 3 resistor having the resistance of R1 till are connected as shown in the given circuit. This is your circuit diagram. Circuit A point and B point, though there is 2 terminal A and B, and there is a resistance connected, R1 is here, R2, R3, and the current, respective current are I1 is passing through this R1, I2 is here, I3 is here. Now the ratio of I3 by I1 of the current in term of resistance U yield, means we need to find out the I3 by I1 in term of resistance. Now as we know that the current division formula, what is the current division formula? We have already told in the previous videos. Okay, if you have any doubt, go there and clear your doubt. Okay, and otherwise you can also comment in the comment section. Okay, now current division formula, what is that? Suppose there is 2 branch like this one, and this current is, let it be I, and here it is I1 and here it is I2, then and it has a resistance of R1 and it has a resistance of R2. We have, there is a no any relation of this R means this resistance, it will be have some resistance or may not, that will not be counted in this formula. Okay, now we need to find out the I1, means in this branch, then we will consider this current, that is R2 divided by total means these 2 only, R1 by R2. This is your current division formula. Similarly for I2, if you will consider I2, then we need to take R1. Now from this diagram we can write, what we can write, I3 will be equal to this current I3 will be equal to this current I3 we have taken, so opposite resistance, that is R2, we will take the R2, okay, divide by how much, total, actually into, we need to multiply it with the current, okay, I means I1 in terms of total current will be parallel resistance, that is R2 divided by total resistance. So this is your current division formula. I derived this one in previous video, you can check that derivation, okay. Now here I3 will be equal to I2, I3 means this current will be I2, R2 means this R2 divided by total, means R2 plus R3. So this will be R2 plus R3 into total current means which is flowing here, means this is I1, means I1 is flowing here, so it is divided into two part, I2 plus I3. What is this? I1 equal to I2 plus I3, obviously, because I1 is coming this point and there, then I2 and I3 is going out, so it is given this here, okay. So total current will be here is I1. So this is the formula based question, directly we can write. So I3 by I1 we can write I3 by I1 equal to R2 by R2 plus R3, R2 plus R3. So its answer will be R2 plus by R2. So answer will be B. If you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel for getting latest update. Now next question. Is this one. It is also AIPMT, means NEET only, means in previously we know that the NEET is known as the AIPMT, okay. It is a question of the NEET 2005, okay, previous year. Now we will solve this question number 5, okay. When a wire of uniform cross section area A, length L and R is bent into a complete circle, means it's saying that there is a wire of length L, area A, material is rho, okay, and of resistance R, and it is bent in a complete circle like this one, bent into a complete circle, resistance between the two opposite point will, let the diametrically opposite point will like this one, it is just opposite of diameter, okay. So we need to find out the resistance between these 2 points. It is based on the previous question number 4, okay. Now we will solve this one, okay. Now complete circle, this is a complete circle, okay. Now the equivalent, let the resistance of this one R1, means upper part is R1 and this lower part is R2, then equivalent diagram will be like this one, R1 and this one R2, R1 and R2. We need to find out the between this one, so R equivalent will be, as these two are connected in parallel, so we can write R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is simple, okay. How we get this one? You can simply write 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, and from this one we can write R equivalent equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What will be the R1? What will be the R1? Actually, if this one is the part, then the equally it is divided, na? So its length will be L by 2, its length will be obviously L by 2, as I told in previous question number 4 also, okay, L by 2 and L by 2. And suppose this resistance is R, same material is there, same area is there, so its resistance will be R by 2 and its resistance will be R by 2. So your R1 is equal to R by 2 and R2 is also equal to R by 2. So R equivalent will be equal to parallelly connected, same R by 2, so it will be half of that one, so it will be R by 4. Simply we can put this value in this equation, then also we will get the same R by 4. So answer is your R by 4 means option A. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section. Now next, question number 6. This is also a previous year NEET question, okay. Now we will solve this question number 6. A wire of certain material is stretched slowly by 10%. Suppose this is your wire, okay, it has a resistance L, length L, area A, and material is of rho, and it has a resistance R, okay, let it be. Now it's stretched. Stretched means, this concept I already discussed in the previous videos, okay. If you have any doubt, you can go to that video, okay. Let it be stretched like this one, okay. Now its length is increased by, stretched by 10%, increased by 10%. 10% means what? If there is a L, then it will be 1.1 L. How this one 1.1 L? Okay, actually first is L, then increased by 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 into L. L 10% of what? L. So it will be 10 by 100. So it will be cut. It will be 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1 into L. So it will be 1.1 L. Okay. Now it is, now this is your new length, that is L dash equal to 0.1. Area is what will be the area? Area will be changed. How area will be changed? Because the volume of this one, let the volume be V. Volume of this one and volume of this one will be same, because the same wire is stretched. So volume is equal to A into L, means area into length is what? Your volume. So here is same volume. So A L equal to new, from what will be the volume of this new stretched wire? It will be A dash into L dash. So A dash into L dash equal to A into L. So L dash, what is your L dash? L dash is equal to 1.1 L. L dash is equal to, so from here we can write A dash equal to, A dash equal to A dash will be equal to what? A by L dash. L by L dash. So A dash is equal to A into L by L dash. How much L by L dash? It will be, L dash is 1 by 0.1. Okay, this is your A dash. Okay, so from here what we can write? Tell me. So from here what we can write? So as our resistance R equal to rho L by A, okay, now R dash will be equal to rho L dash by A dash, okay, and this is equal to rho L dash is how much? It is 1.1 L, okay, divided by A dash is how much? A dash is A by 1.1. So A upon 1.1. So it will be equal to R dash equal to rho L by A into 1.1 square. Okay. So R dash equal to, this is what? Rho L by A is R. So 1.1 into ka whole square. So it will be R dash equal to R into 1.1 square means 1.21. So this will be your R dash, means R into 1.21. Okay. Now we have already seen that we can simply write, if this type of question is there, we can simply write R dash is equal to R into how many times your length is increased, factor by which your length is increased. Okay, means how much? 1.1 into 1.1 square, simply means it is the factor by which we can write, factor by which your length is increased का square कर दो, तो that will give you R dash. So here question, its new resistance, what will be the new resistance? It will be 1.21 times. Now What is the specific resistance? What is a specific resistance? That is resistivity or rho. So, what is the resistivity or rho? Resistivity of or rho, it will be same because it is the property of material. If we will change the change material, means there is a copper, now we will take aluminum, then its resistivity will obviously change because temperature is same. So, resistivity will be also same. So, resistivity will be same. Now, in this same question, if they said that the temperature is increased or something like that, then obviously the resistivity will change. So, in this case the 1.21 times and the resistivity will be same. Okay, it is very easy question. Okay, but you need to know the concept. Now, next question number 7. Okay, in this question, this is also a NEET previous year 2015 question. Now, two metal wire of identical dimension are connected in series. Okay, there is a two wire, let the two wire resistance has a R1 and R2 connected in series. It is R1 and it is R2. Why it is series? Because if the current is passed from here, then the same current will pass from these two resistance. So, resistance is same. Okay, R1 R2 connected in series. Now, sigma 1 sigma 2 are the conductivity of the material wire respectively. It's what is the resistivity of this one, sigma 1, and what is the resistivity of this one, sigma 2. Now, the effective conductivity of combination is, what will be the effective combination of this resistivity we need to find out. Conductivity, sorry, what is this conductivity? What is conductivity? First thing is that conductivity is inversely proportional to your resistivity. What is resistivity? R equal to rho L by A, it is a resistivity, and if the reverse of the resistivity, that will be known as conductivity. If conductivity is more, that means that material will conduct more, means more current can pass. If resistivity is more, then less current will be passed because it will resist the current, flow of current. So, it is very important. Okay. Okay, now from here what we can write equivalent resistance? Simple, because these two are connected in series, we can simply write R1 plus R2. Okay, everything is same, length is same, your area is same for both the material. Okay, R equivalent will be this one. Any doubt? No. So from here we can write what is R1. R1 will be, what will be the R1? R1 will be 1 by conductivity sigma 1 into L1 by A1. What will be the R2? 1 by sigma 2 L2 by A2. Okay, length and area we do not know, here it is not mentioned, so we will write L1 and A1, L2 and A2. Okay, now we will find out R equivalent, that will be R1 plus R2 . No, here it is given identical dimension, means length L1 equal to L2 and A1 equal to A2. Let it be L and it be A. So, your R1 will be 1 by sigma 1 L by A and it will be 1 by sigma 2 L by A, same. So, R1 plus R2 will be L by A into 1 by sigma 1 plus 1 by sigma 2. So, it will be sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by sigma 1 into sigma 2 into L by A. Okay, this is your R equivalent from this one. Okay, now this R equivalent we can write equal to 1 by sigma equivalent into length. What will be the length of this? Length will be a total, that is L1 L plus L, length will be double. So, length is how much? Your 12, very important. Its length will be what? 12. While 12, because the two conductors are connected in series, and so length will be, total length will be L plus L, that is 12. But area, what will be the area, cross sectional area? That will be same. that will be a same area of 2 wire. Area will be A only. Okay, area will be A only. So 2L by A. So it will be L by A and 2 by sigma equivalent. So from this and this equation we can compare, we will compare, and we from this we can see that that sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by sigma 1 into sigma 2 equal to this portion L by A, L by A, L by A. So it will cancel out. So it will be 2 by sigma equivalent. So sigma equivalent will be equal to 2 into sigma 1 into sigma 2 divided by sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So this is your final answer. So it is very important question. Okay, so what is the answer of this question? So it will be 2 into sigma 1 into sigma 2 by sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So option number A is the correct answer of this question. If you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section, and kindly subscribe this channel for getting latest update. Next question, 8th number question. 8th question, it is also a previous year paper, but it is too old. Okay, 1996. Okay, we will solve this question. What will be the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown in the figure between the 2 point A and D? What we need to find the equivalent resistance between this A point and D point. A point and D point means what? If there is a between 2 point, then we will, what we will do is that we will simply simple concept, or we can say the trick is that we will just connect a voltage source like this one. Okay, like this one. So if we have connected like this one's voltage source, okay, then current will pass, because there is a voltage source, battery, let it be a battery, it is a DC voltage source, because it is a DC. Battery is what? DC. AC is what? Some AC generators. Okay, now here it is what? DC. So it will, current will be pass, simply current will be pass. Now this current will pass like this one, connected wire is there, so it will be pass like this one, this will go, and the current will divide like this one. So this current will go here, and this current will not go, in this. Why current will not go? Because it is open circuit. Open circuit means here nothing, there is no path, connected path. The current will pass in this, because it is a connected, it is already connected, all are connected. So the current will pass, because there is a closed path, it is open path, so current will not pass. Very important. Similarly for this case, the current will come here. Okay, and from this one, because this one is closed path, so current will pass, and again here current will not pass. Why not pass? Because there is a open circuit, it is open, because it is, if this one is connected like this one, then obviously current will, but as it is not connected, so current will not pass. So current will pass from here, and then current will go out, means current will come here, and current will go from here to here, and it will come like this one out. So this is your equivalent circuit. So in this main point is that the current will not pass to a open terminal. So we will draw a equivalent diagram this point. So let it be A point, then from A there is a one resistance. Okay, then there is a two path division, means current is divided, so it will be a parallel path. Current is dividing, now here it is current coming, and here there is a current division, one is here, one is another is here, so current is dividing, so there is a two path. So there is a two path. Now 10 ohm, and it is also 10 ohm. Now let it be a M point, and this is N point, this is P point, and this is Q point. Let it be. Okay, then we have plotted, we have drawn this one as this will be a P point. Okay, now from P there is a M point. Okay, from M there is a N, there will be no B. M is connected, means the same current, this current and this current will be same, because it is connected like this one, there is no division, there is no current is passing in this, so this current will be same. As the current is same means this will be a obviously series. So M to N is also a resistance there, and that point is known as N, okay, and it is also 10 ohm. Now similarly for this one, P to Q, what is P to Q? 10 ohm, and again similarly here the same current is passing like this one. So these two are in series. So P to again N point. N point means this two will be sorted. This is N, this is N only, and from this one N to there is one resistance, and then there is a D, 10 ohm resistance, and this is 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, this is the equivalent circuit diagram is this one. Okay, it is a 10 ohm. Okay. Okay, understood now. Means these two resistance are in series and these two resistance are in series. Okay, and then there will be a parallel. Again we will draw up equivalent simplified diagram. So this will be like this one. Okay, now these two in series, so equivalent will be 10 plus 10, so it is 20. Here also 20, same series is there, so 20, 10 and 10. Now here this 10 and this 20 is in what? Parallel. Parallel means if there is a 2 resistance of the same magnitude is in parallel, then we will just divide by 2. If there is a 4 resistance of the same resistance in parallel, then divide by 4, so on. So there is a, this is the simplified trick. Okay, now here there is a 2 and in parallel of the same, so it will be a just a division, so it will be a like this one. This is 10 and this is also 10, and because these two are parallel, so divide by 2 means it will be also 10. So from here we can write one equivalent resistance, 10 plus 10 plus 10, so it will be 30 ohm resistance. So because it is in series, same current will pass through the all resistance, so it is a 30 ohm resistance. So the equivalent resistance is how much? 30 ohm resistance. So answer will be what? C. Answer will be what? C. If you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for getting latest update. Okay, next question. Okay, understood now? Okay, we will move for the next question. What is the next question? See, okay, next question is ninth number. Ninth number is what? We need to find the equivalent resistance across the AB. AB means this point and this point, we need to find out the equivalent resistance. Okay, it is connected 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, like that, infinity. It is the infinity, up to infinity. We need to find out. This is very important question. It is important in the various competitive examination and also point of board examination, important. Okay, now we will find out. Now in this, the concept is that we will use the symmetricity. Here we can see here from this point, this and from A to B. From A this is 1 ohm, from this point also 1 ohm, means this point and this point are same, means they are connected in the same manner. Suppose from A to B we have assumed the resistance is RE, means R equivalent resistance. Then this will be also R equivalent, because it is an infinity series. There will be very minor, there will be negligible change or change in the values of R equivalent if we have disconnected this one, first part. Okay, so it will be also R equivalent. So now equivalent diagram will be like this one, 1 ohm, then again 1 ohm, and then again 1 ohm, and 1 ohm it is connected like this one. So this will be R equivalent. We have taken this one now, this total as a R equivalent, so it is a R equivalent, and it is 1 ohm, so it will be 1 ohm. Okay, it is 1 ohm, it is 1 ohm, so it will be 1 ohm, it is also 1 ohm. This point is A and B, and equivalent is RE, same. So from this one we can see here this R equivalent and this 1 ohm is in parallel. Why parallel? Because if the current is flowing in here, then that current will divide in two parts, this current and this current, so these two will be parallel. that means that Re is parallel with 1 ohm resistance. So its equivalent will be what? Because if there is two resistance R1 and R2 both are parallel, then equivalent is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is simple. So it will be Re into 1 by Re plus 1. So it will be Re upon Re plus 1. This is your equivalent resistance for these two. This, okay, are equivalent. Now again we will draw the equivalent diagram like this one. So it will be 1 ohm and there is only one equivalent resistance, this ohm. So it will be Re upon 1 plus Re. Okay, it is 1. What is 1? It is R equivalent. So from this one what we can write? Re equal to, this is 1 ohm, because it is in all are in series, because same current is passing through this all three resistance. So 1 plus Re upon 1 plus Re plus 1. So it will be Re equal to 1 plus 1 2 upon Re plus 1 plus Re. Now we will solve this equation. Okay, so it will be Re equivalent square minus 2 Re minus 2. It is a simple equation. Okay, now we will solve this one. Re will be equal to minus b plus minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So Re is equal to 2 plus minus 12 means 4 into 3, so 2 root 3 by 2. So 1 plus minus root 3. So if you have any doubt, kindly comment in the comment section, and please like these videos and subscribe the channel. Okay, now Re equivalent is equal to 1 plus root 3. So Re will be equal to 1 plus root 3 or 1 minus root 3. 1 minus, what is the value of root 3? It is very important, you need to remember this one. Root 3 value is 1.732. okay, 1.732. 1 minus 1.73 will be negative. So we will not consider the negative resistance. Okay, it is not physically behavioral. Okay, so it is negative, so we will not count this one. So we will count only this one. So R equivalent will be equal to 1 plus 1.732, that will be equal to 2.732 ohm. This is your answer. Okay, so answer is 2.732. so option B will be your right option. Okay, understood. Now what we did is here is that we will consider by the symmetricity. It is first is connected 1 ohm and parallel 1 ohm. So we will consider this one as a R equivalent, and R equivalent plus any resistance will be obviously R equivalent, because it is an infinity series. Infinity plus any value will be what? Obviously infinity. So we will consider this concept in this questions. Okay, this one solved. Now next question, 10th number question. This question is already the IIT 2019 question. Okay, IIT 2019 question. Okay, in this question, the space between the two concentric conducting sphere. What is two concentric? Concentric means sphere inside a sphere, that is the concentric. Sphere inside a sphere. Okay, this is a concentric circle. Okay, concentric circle. Now this is your center. Let the resistance is given, radius of A, let the radius be A, and what is this? Radius of B, as B is greater than, is filled with material. Two concentric sphere of radius itna is filled with the material of resistivity rho. The resistance between the two sphere will be. What is the resistivity of material? Here it is resistivity of material is given rho. What is this? This space, one sphere is here, one sphere is this space. This space is totally filled. This space only is filled with a material. Let it be any material we can take, as it is not mentioned. Let it be copper. Copper we will insert in this space between these two spaces. Okay, so that's material. Copper is inserted. Copper means we have taken only, I have taken only for the okay visualization. Okay, so रो will be your, रो क्या हो गया आपको, एक मटेरियल है जिसको इसके बीच में दिया गया है. सो इट विल बी कंडक्ट. क्या हो गया, क्योंकि ये कंडक्टर बन गया तो ये क्या करेगा, कंडक्ट करेगा. ठीक है, अब देखिए ये रो हो गया. अब हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये दोनों, ये जो आपका ये है स्पेसिंग, इसका रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा वो निकालने के लिए देखते हैं. तो ये जो दिया हुआ है इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इसमें एज्यूम करेंगे एक थिक, बहुत ही पतला सा एक एलिमेंट को हम लोग ने कंसीडर किया. ये वाला एलिमेंट क्या है, ये वाला एलिमेंट. इसका रेडियस मान लीजिए यहाँ से सेंटर से x है, और इस एलिमेंट का थिकनेस मीन्स ये और ये, इसके बीच का थिकनेस हो गया. मीन्स यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का कितना थिकनेस है, दैट इज़ dx. कितना लिया थिकनेस, dx थिकनेस. और कितना दूर पे है, x. तो ये जो एलिमेंटल रिंग जो लिया है, रिंग मीन्स ये सर्कल जो लिया है, ये वाला, ये जो एलिमेंटल क्या लिया है, स्पेरिकल सेल. यहाँ पर हम लिख देते हैं थोड़ा इजी के लिए. कंसीडर आ स्पेरिकल सेल ऑफ रेडियस x एंड थिकनेस dx. ये हमने लिख दिए इजीली कंसिडरेशन के लिए. ओके, सो क्या हो गया, रेडियस कितना, x एंड dx. तो अगर मान लीजिए ये एलिमेंटल हो गया तो इसका एरिया क्या होगा, एरिया मान लीजिए dA. तो एरिया क्या हो जाएगा, क्या होता है स्फीयर का एरिया, क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया क्या होता है स्फीयर का, 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर कितना हो गया, रेडियस तो x है तो x स्क्वायर हो गया. ठीक है, तो अब देखिए एलिमेंटल जो है उसका रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा, जो एलिमेंटल मीन्स जो हम लोग ने कंसिडर किया है, स्मॉल ये एलिमेंट जो किए हैं कंसिडर, उसका रेडियस क्या, ये रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा, dr. तो dr क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, मटेरियल रो क्या हो गया, रेजिस्टिविटी है. लेंथ क्या है इसका, लेंथ मीन्स थिकनेस, दैट इज dx. बाय एरिया कितना है, 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर मीन्स x स्क्वायर. ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. ओके, x स्क्वायर हो गया. ये आपका क्या हो गया, एरिया इंक्रीमेंटल रेजिस्टेंस हो गया. नाउ अगर आप इसको इंटीग्रेट कीजिएगा, इंटीग्रेट कहाँ से, यदि आप इसको a से, इस रेडियस a से b को इंटीग्रेट कीजिएगा तो ये इसका रेजिस्टेंस निकल जाएगा. सो अगर आपने इंटीग्रेट किया, जो छोटा छोटा जो ये इंक्रीमेंटल है उसको इंटीग्रेट कहाँ से कीजिएगा, a से b, तो आपको क्या निकलेगा, टोटल a से b मीन्स ये वाला हो गया. तो इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dr. सो r विल बी इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम a टू b इंटू dr. सो इट विल बी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a टू b. रो क्या है, कांस्टेंट है, तो कांस्टेंट को बाहर लिख देंगे, dx बाय 4 पाई x स्क्वायर. और ये 4 पाई भी क्या है, कांस्टेंट है, तो अगेन लिखेंगे हम लोग a से b. ओके, रो बाय 4 पाई dx बाय x स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ से हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, एक सिंपल है इंटीग्रेशन, dx बाय x स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, इसका इंटीग्रेशन होता है आपको 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर, 1 बाय क्या, 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर है तो इसका हो जाएगा -1 बाय एक्स होता है इंटीग्रेशन. ठीक है, x टू दी पावर n+1 होता है ना, -n+1. यहाँ पर क्या है, -2 है, मीन्स ये होता है कि x पावर n इंटू डी एक्स है, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है x टू डी पावर n प्लस वन बाय n प्लस वन। तो n क्या -2 प्लस वन, तो -1 हो जाएगा ये, और यहाँ पर क्या -2 प्लस वन, तो माइनस का साइन आ जाएगा। सो ये वाला इंटीग्रेशन है, सिंपल इंटीग्रेशन है ये। तो ये वाला हो गया आपका पार्ट। नाउ सो आपका r क्या हो जाएगा, रो बाय 4 पाई इंटीग्रेशन, तो पता चल गया हमको क्या होगा -1 बाय एक्स एंड इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम a टू b। तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये पुट करना है रो बाय 4 पाई इंटीग्रेशन, पहले ये वाला पार्ट पुट कीजिए, b पुट कीजिएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा -1 बाय b, क्योंकि उसके बाद क्या होता है सेकंड पार्ट में क्या होता है माइनस आता है, तो माइनस माइनस क्या होगा प्लस हो जाएगा, और 1 बाय a पुट करना है तो a हो जाएगा ये। सो दैट विल बी योर रेजिस्टेंस विल बी r इक्वल टू रो बाय 4 पाई इंटू 1 बाय a माइनस 1 बाय b, 1 by a minus 1 by b. So this will be your answer. So option E is your correct option. Okay, 1 by rho by 4 pi into 1 by a minus 1 by b. Okay, so this is your question number 10th question, and it is important question. Okay, it is IITian 2009 question. Okay, we will move for next question, that is 11 number question. Here a copper wire, it is also IIT 2019 question. It is a copper wire is stretched to make it 0.5% longer. The percentage change in its electrical resistance of its volume remain unchanged. Volume is remain constant. Volume क्या constant है, तो volume यदि constant है तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते थे ये बताइए। हमको तो ये पता है क्या R डैश जो होता था डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू L स्क्वायर। L स्क्वायर मीन्स L नहीं बोला जाए, फैक्टर ऑफ L का स्क्वायर करते थे, ठीक है। ये वाला हमको पता था वॉल्यूम का चेंज करने से, मीन्स अगर आपका वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है, वॉल्यूम अगर कांस्टेंट है तो हम लोग इस टाइप से लिख सकते हैं। नाउ देखिए इसमें हम लोग को क्या करना है, परसेंटेज चेंज जो होगा, परसेंटेज चेंज सिंपल है ये, परसेंटेज चेंज डेल R बाय R, इसको क्या बोलते हैं परसेंटेज चेंज इन R, means percentage change in resistance R will be equal to 2 into 2 times of del L by L. del L कितना हो गया आपको चेंज, that is del L कितना होगी, del L means what, it will be 2 into percentage change in length। ये important formula है, this is only valid for a small change in length and volume is constant। okay, लेंथ, स्मॉल चेंज इन लेंथ यहाँ पर कैसे हो गया, देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है 0.5%, 0.5% मतलब क्या हो गया 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा बहुत ही छोटा हो जाएगा। सो वी हैव कंसिडर्ड दिस फॉर्मूला हियर। ओके, सो डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट परसेंटेज चेंज क्या हो जाएगा इन R विल बी इक्वल टू 2 इंटू परसेंटेज चेंज इन लेंथ कितना है 0.5% है, 0.5 इंटू 2 कितना हो जाएगा 1, सो इट विल बी 1% आंसर। सो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा आपको 1%, मीन्स सी ऑप्शन। ओके, अब ये वाला कैसे होता है नहीं होता है ये हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं इजीली, वो देख ही लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो वो कैसे हुआ, ये फॉर्मूला कैसे आया वो हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे अभी, ठीक है। जैसे कि हम लोग को पता है कि अगर आपका वॉल्यूम लेंथ क्या हो गया, लेंथ हो जाएगा आपको L इक्वल टू L इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स। मान लीजिए ये चेंज हुआ, परसेंटेज चेंज हुआ, x क्या आपको परसेंटेज चेंज, मीन्स जैसे यहाँ पर दे दिया आपको x इक्वल टू कितना दिया है, x इक्वल टू 0.5%, मीन्स 0.5 बाय 100, ये आपका x हो गया। x क्या है याद रखिएगा, ये बहुत ही स्मॉल है। न्यू लेंथ क्या हो जाएगा आपको, न्यू लेंथ हो जाए, न्यू लेंथ क्या हो गया आपका परसेंटेज चेंज हो गया, मतलब क्या हो गया L इंटू 0.5% हो गया, ये हो गया। अब प्लस पहले L था, अभी कितना हो गया L प्लस 0.5%, तो ये इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर ये लिखा है, L कॉमन ले लीजिए तो 1 प्लस 0.5 बाय 100 मीन्स L इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स, तो L इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स, तो L डैश हो गया ये। अब देखें एल डैश ये हो गया। तो अब क्या हो जाएगा आपका आर डैश क्या हो जाएगा, आर डैश क्या हो जाएगा, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम वॉल्यूम आपका कांस्टेंट है ना, सो एल डैश का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। सो एल डैश का स्क्वायर मीन्स हो गया, ये कैसे हो गया, रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल टू डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, ये सिंपल है क्योंकि आर इक्वल टू रो एल बाई ए होता है। इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, रो एल स्क्वायर बाई ए इंटू एल लिख सकते हैं, और इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, रो एल स्क्वायर बाय वॉल्यूम लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर अगर आपको वॉल्यूम अगर कांस्टेंट है तो हम लोग वॉल्यूम अगर फिक्स कर दिए तो आर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्या लिख सकते हैं, एल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं। सो इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल। ओके, वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा तो एल स्क्वायर डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं। सो आर डैश क्या हो जाएगा, एल डैश का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। सो आर डैश डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्या होगा, एल डैश स्क्वायर मीन्स क्या हो गया, यहाँ से पुट कीजिए आप इसमें, तो ये हो जाएगा एल स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर। नाउ और सिंपली आप लिख सकते हो आर डैश, ये 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर क्या होगा, ये हो जाता है 1 प्लस 2x होगा, जब व्हेन x इज़ वेरी स्मॉल। यहाँ पर x क्या है, वेरी स्मॉल लिए हैं, तो ये इसको हम लोग अप्रॉक्सीमेशन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, ये पढ़ेंगे मैथमेटिक्स में, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, वहाँ से आता है। ठीक है, तो आर डैश क्या हो जाएगा आपका, इट इज विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एल स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस 2x। सिंपल है। और हम लोग को पता है क्या, आर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एल स्क्वायर, ये प्रीवियस के लिए, फर्स्ट के लिए, तो यहाँ से हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, आर डैश इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आर इंटू 1 प्लस 2x। सो ये तो हो गया, यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं। सो यहाँ से हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, आर डैश बाय आर विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 प्लस 2x। ठीक है, ओके। नाउ परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्या होगा, परसेंटेज चेंज इन आर क्या हो जाएगा, आर डैश माइनस आर बाय क्या हो जाएगा, जो बेस है, आर से आर डैश चेंज हुआ ना, पहले आर था अब क्या हो गया आर डैश, तो जो बेस होता है जहाँ से चेंज होता है उसको नीचे रखते हैं। ठीक है, और ऊपर में डिफरेंस, तो आर डैश माइनस आर बाय आर, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बताइए, ये हो जाएगा आपको आर डैश माइनस आर क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग बताइए, इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं आर डैश बाय आर माइनस 1 लिख सकते हैं। आर डैश बाय आर कितना हो जाएगा, 1 प्लस 2x हो जाएगा अप्रॉक्स, माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी ओनली 2x। सो परसेंटेज चेंज विल बी ओनली 2x। डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हैं परसेंटेज चेंज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू एक्स। सो दिस इज सिंपल। ओके, simply we can write, it is very important. There are many examination in which they have asked in IITJEE, in previous year also they have repeated the same question in 1978 IITJEE. In this also just they have changed the data, that is 1.5% longer, so its answer will be percentage change in R will be simply multiplied by 2, so it will be what, tell me, it will be 0.2 percentage. So it is 1978 IITJEE. Now we will move for the next question, that is 12. It is IITJEE 2013 question. Okay, in this correct setup, what is the practical setup for Ohm's law? Ohm's law के लिए क्या होता है, देखिए यहाँ पर दो चीज़ है, एक तो होता है वोल्ट मीटर मीन्स वोल्ट, ये तो वोल्टेज मेजर करेगा। वोल्ट मीटर क्या करता है, वोल्टेज मेजर करता है, इसलिए वोल्ट मीटर एक इक्विपमेंट है जो वोल्टेज मेजर करता है, और इसको हमेशा पैरेलल में लगाते हैं। किस में लगाते हैं, पैरेलल में लगाते हैं, ताकि ये वोल्टेज मेजर कर सके। और एक होता है एम मीटर, तो ये सब हम लोग लेटर चैप्टर में भी पढ़ेंगे। एम मीटर क्या होता है, जो कि सीरीज में कनेक्टेड होता है, जो हमारा करंट मेजर करता है, बस यही लॉजिक है। और आप यहाँ पर देखिए, इन दिस केस ये आपका क्या हो गया, ये पूरा क्या हो गया, रेजिस्टर हो गया, जहाँ पर चेंज होता है ये पूरा रेजिस्टेंस हो गया, इसके अक्रॉस हमारा वोल्टेज और करंट मापना, मेजर करना है। व्हाट वी नीड टू टेक वी नीड टू टारगेट दिस एज अ मेजरिंग पैरामीटर्स, एंड वी विल मेजर द वोल्टेज एंड करंट अक्रॉस दिस वन। सो वी विल कनेक्ट अ एम मीटर एंड वोल्ट मीटर अक्रॉस दिस वन। सो हियर वी हैव कनेक्टेड अ पैरेलल a parallel meter, that is a voltmeter, V means voltmeter, and one series ammeter. It is a series with this one, means how much current will go in this that will be measured by this ammeter. So ammeter will be series and voltmeter, so this will be your answer. In this case voltmeter is connected in series, so it is wrong. In this case ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter again wrong, because voltmeter is connected in series, so it's wrong. Now here voltmeter is connected in parallel, okay, ammeter is connected in series, it is okay, but this ampere will only measure the current in this branch. इसमें कितना करंट जा रहा है बस वही नापेगा, मेजर करेगा. सो अगर इसमें इस टोटल में कितना करंट जा रहा है तो हमको एक एमीटर यहाँ पर लगाना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. सो ओनली ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. So answer number A will be correct option. So next question we will go for 13 number. This is the last question. Okay, we will see. In the given diagram, wire is joint between the point B and D. The current in this wire, the current we need to find out between this B and D. How much current will be flow? It is IITJEE question 2020. Okay, latest question is this. Okay, in this question, what we will do is that we will consider the current from this one is I. Here is the voltage source is connected, means 20 volt, 20 voltage is connected, and the current, let it be I current is flowing from this one. Okay, if this one is I, means current will be same I. Okay, now here current is dividing, means that means this one is parallelly connected. Okay, now what will be this resistance current, because these two are parallelly connected. These two are parallelly connected, so current will be how much? Current division formula we need to use. So let it be I1, this will be I2. Similarly we will find out that this current, let it be I3, this current be I4, and I3 plus I4, this will be again give you I. Okay, now in this question we will assume that the current flowing this means B2 is 0. Okay, now we will find out, okay, what will the current flow. Now because B or D are connected in the same potential, so its potential will be same. This point and this point will be same, because it is short circuited, so same potential will be there. Now what will be the I1? Tell me. I1 is a current division formula we need to use. I1 is here, its parallel is 4 ohms. So what is total current? I. So I1 will be I into 4 upon total resistance 4 plus 1, that is 5, 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 into I. Okay, what will be your I2? Similarly but reverse, means I2 will be I into what is the parallel? 1 by 5. So I by 5 ampere. Okay, I2. What will be your I3? I3 will be same, this is I, total current is I, and it is divided into two part, I3 and I4. So I into 3 by 5. Okay, what will be the I4? I into 3 by obviously 2 by 5. Now here we can see that the I1 is not equal to your I3. How much difference is there? I1 minus I3 we will find out. I1 is how much? 4 by 5 into I, minus I3 is how much? 3 by 5 into I. So it will be I by 5, means there is a difference of I by 5. That means that obviously the IBD current will be your I by 5. This is your difference. I by 5 will be this direction, so it will be obviously I by 5. Now here we will see I2 equal to how much? Your I by 5. I by 5 plus I2, I by 5 plus your I by 5, means BD current will be equal to 2 I by 5, and that will be give you your I4. I4 means I4 is 2 I by 5. So it is okay, verified. Okay, now so IBD will be I by 5. What is the I current? We need to now find out the I current. How we will find the I current? Simply Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to R into I, means I will be equal to V by R. Voltage is how much? 20 volt. And what is the R? R we need to find out. R is the equivalent resistance. Now here we will draw the equivalent diagram of that one. So equivalent diagram will be like this one, 1 ohm, and again here 4 ohm, and these two are connected in like this one. Okay, again 1 ohm, again one resistance. So it is 2 and it is 3, and this one is like this one. So what will be the equivalent of these two? That is 4 and 1 parallel. These two are in parallel. So it is parallel means R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So 4 by 5. What is that? This one, it is also connected in parallel. So R1 into R2 means 6 upon add means 5, 6 by 5 ohm. Now these 2 ohm is connected in what? Connected in parallel. So it will be equal to like this one, like this one. It is 4 by 5 and it is 6 by 5. 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. So its equivalent will be 4 plus 6 means R equivalent equal to 4 plus 6 means 10 by 5. So it is 2 ohm resistance. Why? Because this point and this point of the similar voltage. So we will draw like this one, means it will be simply look like this one. Means these two are connected in same potential. So it will be a series connection, because we have already shown the current is flowing here I and the same current is flowing here I. Okay, same current is flowing here I means same current is flowing through these two, and same current is flowing these total these two. So it is in series. So R equivalent is 2 ohm. Now your IBD is what we need to find. IBD current will be how much? We need to find out IBD current. So we need to find out the total current I, that is voltage. Voltage is V by R equivalent. What is the voltage across this one? Voltage equivalent, voltage is what? Voltage is 20 volt, and the current is I and the R equivalent. So 20 upon R is 2. So it will be I will be 10 ampere. So current is I is 10 ampere. And what will be your IBD? Tell me. Your IBD will be I by how much? I by 5. So IBD will be I by 5. So how much I is there? 10 divided 5, that is 2 ampere current. So answer will be, your IBD will be only 2 ampere current. So IBD is I by 5 from here. So we have put the value of I, that is 10 ampere. So it is 2 ampere. So option B will be your correct answer. So this is the numerical portion which I have covered in this videos. Okay, kindly like, subscribe this channel. Thank you.